Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we enjoying this weather? I tell you, we are so lucky that it's actually a bit of lockdown going on right now, so we've actually got the time to go out and enjoy this weather. I'm loving it. The last couple of days I have literally just been out in my garden or out walking about. You can probably see that I have caught the sun a little bit, but hey, I'm loving it. This is all great for my body. Vitamin D, yay, all good. This afternoon, what I'm doing for you today is an unboxing. It's one I've received in PR. Actually, this is the third time I've received this box in PR, so thank you very much to the company. And the company is Snack Surprise. Let me show it to you. This is it. It is a subscription service for snacks. So Snack Surprise is a monthly subscription, and what they do, they focus on different snacks from around the world, so they're very much international themed. The first box I did back in March was Italy, the April box was Germany, and this box we shall see what we have got. The box, they've got two different types of boxes. The first box is, the basic box is £12.99, and I think you get 8 to 10 snacks inside that box. They've got also a second level, which is a higher level premium box, which is £23.99, and I think you get something like 15 to 20, something like that. You get a lot more products inside that box. It's something like 15 to 20 items you get inside that box. The boxes will always include a drink of some sort as well. I can tell you now that everything inside the Germany box last month, yeah, it all went, and it all went very, very, very quickly. Same with the Italian box as well. So the boxes and the snacks have been rather delicious so far. So shall we go inside this box? Oh, before I forget, if you're interested in getting this snack box, the company have kindly given me a discount code, and it's Sussex Sandra 15, and that will give you 15% off your first box. Alright, okay, let's go inside and see what we've got inside this box. Right, okay, so here's the leaflet. Ooh, I've seen something already. So that's it, and that says, I'm reading this back to front, South Korea. Oh wow, well this is going to be interesting, isn't it? South Korea. So we've got snacks for May. The box is a little bit late this month because today's the 31st of May, but let's have a look. So I can just go through the details quickly. So you've got, on this side of the leaflet is all the original base box, and this side is the additional items you get in the premium. So we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in the base box, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 if you get the premium box. So just to remind you, premium box is £23.99, base box is £11.99 or £12.99. You know what, I'm now doubting myself. Is it £11.99? Is it £11.99 or £12.99? I'll put the correct price on the screen because, you know, you don't want to rely on me giving you the correct information, do you? Right, let's crack on and see what's inside here. Right, so the first thing that grabbed my attention straight away was this one. Sweet potato snack. So this is a South Korean sweet potato snack. It's a deliciously crunchy snack. It is the perfect combination of sweet potatoes and maple syrup. Ooh. Well, I have to admit, I'm actually got to open it, haven't I? Got to taste it. Ooh. Okay, so they look like this. Yum yum. Yum. Oh, yum. Not sure if I want to. Not sure if I want to share those. Yum. Just yum. And a little bit of sweetness on the back of your tongue there. Very nice. Right, next. Oh no, I've just seen one. Okay, God, I'm so sad. There's certain types of crisps I like. You don't laugh, right? Just promise you don't laugh. Right, so the crisps I like are cheesy puffs, so things like What's It, Cheetos, that sort of thing. I love those, and there's a Swedish one called OLW. Love those as well, just like those are really expensive. That's the first kind of crisp that I like. The second kind of crisp that I like are onion rings. I sometimes send my husband out to the local off license because they sell onion rings really, really cheaply. I love onion rings, just love them. I love them as in the shop, cooked fish and chip shop in batter, and I love the crisp ones. And guess what I've got here? I didn't know South Koreans are into proper food. Onion rings, wow. So these are, oh God, hot and spicy. Oh, don't know about that. But these are flavoured onion rings. I'm still going to give these a try, but probably not now because I've opened the sweet potato chips. But onion rings, guys, wow. South Koreans, okay. But hot and spicy, ooh, bit not sure about that. I've got, oh God, what do you call it again? Again, this is all part of my body all being messed up, so my body overreacts to things now. So basically my inflammation system is completely messed up, so my body will overreact to things. So since I started having rheumatoid arthritis, so we're talking about back in my early 30s years, so nearly 20 years now, I haven't been able to eat anything hot and spicy at all. And when I say anything hot and spicy, I mean proper. So you're talking to someone who was brought up on eating Caribbean food, which will have Scotch bonnet peppers in it, you know, which is like one of the hottest peppers on the planet. I can't touch anything that is hot and spicy now, even sweets, crisps, or anything like that. That's why I'm a bit scared about eating that, because the reaction, what happens to me is that, oh, don't laugh, I belch and hiccup at the same time. that's my reaction. It's like reflux basically, or indigestion, and it hurts when I do it. So I literally stay away from anything hot and spicy. I will go to an Indian takeaway and get the mildest thing on the menu. I just can't touch anything hot and spicy anymore. I know, it goes against my culture, but that's it. But yeah, I'm still gonna try those onion rings though. Right, next, let's crack on. Next is, oh, my sister will be happy about this. Am I holding it right around? So these are hot chicken flavour ramen. Ramen noodles that are wonderfully spicy and filled to the brim with flavour. Can you handle the spice? No, I can't. Can you do it? Yes, you can. No, I certainly can't. So these will go to my sister. I think my sister's going to be really interested in this box because she loves, oh, not K-pop, K anime, I think they call it, Korean anime. She absolutely loves it, and Korean soap operas. She's addicted to this stuff. She'll be watching it all day on her Kindle, non-stop. She loves it. So when I show her this box, she's going to go a little bit nuts. But those sweet potato chips are still mine. She can have the noodles. Next we have Cancho. What is Cancho? So this is Cancho. So Cancho is named for the prank played by Korean children. These crunchy biscuits are filled with delicious chocolate. Okay, that's what it looks like. So I've got to open this. Okay, so it's one of those where you can open the box like, oops, do it the right way around, that would help. Looks like that. So I've got to see what this is. There's lots of little things in here. And what we got? Okay, so they look like this. Good. What have I done with it? Okay. So that's what it looks like. Right. The only way I can describe that and the texture, for those of you brought up in the UK, you know Farleys Rusk, the baby sort of biscuit thing we give to our little babies when they're little infants. The texture is very much like that. The flavour is more baked biscuit kind of flavour, so it's a thicker baked biscuit. Then it's got like a chocolate paste inside it, like a Nutella sort of paste inside it. So that's the only way I could describe it. So it's like a round Farleys Rusk without the Farleys flavour and a Nutella paste inside it. So, okay, I think that would be more suited to my niece who's 7. She'll like those more, I think. Right, let's carry on. Next is this Pepero. So this is Pepero, and this is a deliciously crunchy biscuit stick that are super addictive. Your box may include white chocolate, almond, or peanut and pretzel flavour. So I would like the white chocolate. Actually, I'd like any of them, to be honest. Right, so this is what this is, and I have got here the almond chocolate biscuit. Okay, so I think that will be had later on as well. Listen, to be honest, I can see all of this stuff being eaten in the next couple of days. This isn't going to last at all in my house. Grief. God, this is why I'm not losing any weight. This whole lockdown, I've put on about, I don't know, I've definitely put on about 5 pounds already. It's not great. It's not great at all. And this isn't helping. And I have no willpower, by the way, so, you know. Right, next we have this. So this is called Choco Pie. And this is a snack cake consisting of 2 small round layers of cake with marshmallow filling and a delicious chocolate covering. Those look, oh, now, what do these look like? Wagon wheel, that's what it reminds me of. When you look at it, it looks like a wagon wheel, but it's a spongy texture. But yeah, that definitely reminds me of wagon wheel. Okay, so you got that as well. So I'll leave that aside because, again, my daughter, my niece, my sister, my husband, any of them will be quite happy to eat that. Next we have, oh, this one sounds a bit weird. Right, this is a custard soft cupcake. Ooh, that doesn't sound right, does it? Is it just me? See, I don't like things like custard cakes and custard pies and all them sort of things, so this is not for me, this one. Custard soft cupcake, a golden sponge cake filled with flavour-packed custard cream. It is best enjoyed with a cup of coffee, so it's like a breakfast. Okay, it's like a breakfast thing then, I would say. So, okay, so there's that. Interesting stuff, isn't it? No one can say this stuff is boring. It's definitely unique. Right, next we have, oh, what is this? So this is Secom Dalcom, and this is a sour fruit chews that will make your lips smack. Your box can include grape, peach or strawberry flavoured chews. I'm hoping this is grape, go by that colour. Yeah, I'm assuming that's grape, isn't it? Wow. Okay, I think me and my niece will be fighting for that one. And a couple more items in here. Then we've got something here called My Gummy. So this is My Gummy is a chewy natural fruit jelly sweet, great as a quick snack and kids love it. You can either get grape or peach flavour. Lovely flavours. And this is peach flavour. Alright, I've got to try that. See, grape and peach flavour. Yeah. Oh, the smells good. Ooh. Oh, this is what it looks like. So it is. It's just a chewy fruit. Yeah. Nice. Alright, I might have to hide those in my room. Right. So I've got 2 things I'm hiding in my room. These and the sweet potato chips. Those are coming with me. And the last item in the box is our drink. So remember I said they give us a drink in every box. So this is a Milkis soda. Oh, this sounds interesting. So one of the most popular drinks in Korea. It combines the traditional fizz of soda with the creamy taste of milk and slight tang of yogurt. That don't sound right to me. I don't know about you, but that don't sound right to me at all. Yeah, I think this one I'll just put in the fridge, and somebody might be brave enough. Maybe my sister, because as I said, she's into the whole Korean culture. She absolutely loves it. I know it's one of the countries she really wants to go to, so I think I might just leave that milky soda. It just sounds very much like something that's off. But I don't know. I'm probably completely wrong here, misjudging it completely. But yeah, that one can stay. But yeah, so there you go. So that's our, was it 10 out of 2, 4, 6, 8? So that's our 10 items in this month's snack surprise. This one just sounds as dodgy as God knows what, but I not going to try that one. I'll leave that to some brave soul in my family. Onion rings, I am going to try those, but I am a little bit scared of my stomach. These peach gummies, they're going to get hidden in my bedroom. We've got these little cake things. Those are nice, and they'll get eaten. All of these things will get eaten. We've got this wagon wheel style cake thing. There's that. Something else which I find a little bit dodgy, but again, people who like custard cakes and all that sort of thing will like this. And I'd say this is more of a breakfast item to have with coffee, so that's all cool. My husband will have that quite happily. These I'm interested in having, these little chocolate almond sticks, so they look good. The noodles, it's a case of like who gets to them first in my house and have them, so that will be good. What else was there? I know my niece is going to love these grape flavour chews. I think I'll like them too, but I'll leave them for Kayla. And of course, these which I've tucked into already, and because they're bloody delicious, it's really nice. So there you go. So that's a snack surprise for May. So if you remember, the box costs either $11.99 or $12.99. I'll put the correct price up above. So that's the original box, and then you've got the premium box, which is $23.99. So, and if you want to get hold of either box, I've got a discount code, so do get your first box at that discount, and the discount code is SussexSandra15, so don't forget to use it if you want to subscribe to this. And yeah, that's it guys. What do you think? I'm kind of gonna just go off quietly now and just munch on my sweet potato chips, because I think these are very delicious. Alright guys, have a lovely Sunday. See you soon. Take care. Bye.